Everyone thinks the best-selling motorcycle jack is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Vevor Scissor Lift Jack. The Vevor motorcycle lift, a solid option priced at just $59.90. What caught my attention was its impressive 1,100 pounds lifting capacity, making it a reliable partner for your bike maintenance. If you want a sturdy and easy-to-use jack, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a lift height ranging from 3.7 inches to 13.8 inches, you can easily get your bike up for cleaning or repairs without breaking a sweat. The wide, non-slip deck, 14.4 by 9 inches, provides a stable base, reducing the risk of your bike slipping while you work. Plus, the 6-position safety pin gives you peace of mind knowing your motorcycle is secure. In the past month, over 1,000 of these were bought, indicating its popularity among bikers. Now, some people complained about the weight of the jack itself, which can be a bit tricky to maneuver for some. Here's the thing though. If you're lifting larger bikes often, that weight actually contributes to its stability, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking for a reliable jack to handle hefty motorcycles. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for occasional use. For $59.90, it offers excellent value for heavy-duty support. Now, if the weight of the Vevor jack bothered you, this next one might be a better fit for lighter handling tasks.
Product number 2, Jack Boss Rear Combo Stand. The Jack Boss Motorcycle Stand Rear Combo, priced at $59.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its durable steel construction, designed for various bike types, including Yamaha and Honda. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid support, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this stand great is its 500 pounds capacity and adjustable design. It can lift your bike to a height of 12.6 inches, making it ideal for chain cleaning or oil changes. 4 high-quality caster wheels ensure smooth movement, so you can easily position your bike without hassle. Plus, it fits wheel forks from 8.56 to 11.61 inches, accommodating most sport bikes. With over 1,000 units sold this month, it's clear that people trust this product. However, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit time-consuming. Here's the thing though, once set up, it's pretty straightforward to use and store, so it's not something that would deter serious bikers. This is perfect for you if you frequently maintain your sport bike at home. Skip this one if you need something that can lift heavier cruisers. For $59.99, it's a solid investment for regular maintenance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for accommodating various motorcycle types.
Product number 3, Vevor Front and Rear Combo Stand. The Vevor Motorcycle Stand Lift, retailing for $63.80. This combo stand really caught my attention with its 850 pounds load capacity and compatibility with most major motorcycle brands. If you want a versatile solution for both front and rear lifting, this is a great pick. Here's why this matters for you. The adjustable fork heads allow a range from 6.5 to 9.5 inches for the front stand, and the rear supports an impressive 8.9 to 13.8 inches. This flexibility means you can easily adapt it to your bike's specific needs. It's designed for quick assembly, lifting your motorcycle in just a few seconds, which is a huge time saver. With over 900 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among bike enthusiasts. Now, some users noted that the assembly instructions could be clear, but honestly, once you figure it out, the ease of use makes it worth the minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you own multiple motorcycles or need a stand for both front and rear maintenance. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward, single-purpose lift. At $63.80, it's a smart choice for its adaptability. Now, if the assembly issue was a concern for you, the next product is known for its simplicity in that area.
Product number 4, Jack Boss Rear Combo Stand Black. Another entry from Jack Boss, this rear combo wheel lift stand, also priced at $50.99. What stood out to me is its corrosion-resistant finish and solid steel build. If you want a dependable stand that can take a beating, this is worth looking into. This motorcycle stand supports 500 pounds and offers adjustable width, fitting various bikes, from Yamaha to Kawasaki. It lifts your bike to 12.6 inches, which is great for most maintenance tasks. Plus, its removable design makes it convenient for storage. With over 600 units sold recently, it's clear that bikers are appreciating its value. However, a few people reported that the wheels could get a bit wobbly over time.
Here's the thing though, as long as you're mindful and avoid excessive force, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for regular use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable stand for light to moderate maintenance. Skip this one if you're handling heavier motorcycles frequently. For $50.99, it provides solid performance without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a good mid-range option, but if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, wait till you hear about our last pick.
Product number 5, Orion MotorTech Scissor Lift Jack. We have the Orion MotorTech Motorcycle Lift, priced at $69.99. What really impressed me was its maximum load capacity of 1,100 pounds, alongside features like the T-handle for effortless lifting. If you want a sturdy, high-capacity jack for extensive maintenance, this is worth considering. This jack allows for a lifting height from 3.7 inches to 14.6 inches, which is great for getting your bike up high enough for serious work. The wide deck, 9.1 by 14.6 inches, provides a stable platform, ensuring your bike won't slip while you're working on it. Plus, the safety bar with 5 locking holes adds an extra layer of security. With over 400 units sold last month, it's becoming a favorite among serious bikers. However, some users found that manual operation can be a workout, but honestly, if you're lifting heavier bikes, that's a small price to pay for the stability and strength you get in return. This is perfect for you if you regularly maintain larger bikes or need a reliable stand for serious repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. For $69.99, it's an investment that pays off in longevity and performance.
We've seen the Vevor Scissor Lift for heavy-duty lifting, the Jock Boss Rear Combo for budget-conscious maintenance, the versatile Vevor Front and Rear Combo, another reliable Jock Boss stand, and finally the Orion MotorTech for maximum stability. Each has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice.